In this video, we will explain how third-party option packages can be signed. First, we need to create a unique fingerprint of the package. This fingerprint is called a hash. In the KOP properties, check the compute and add file hash values for KOP content. Once you saved and export the KOP, you can see that in the KOP project file there is our hash, package.sha. Now we need to generate a digital signature by signing the hash using a private key. For test purposes, we can use the internal signing mechanism. Go to Extras, Digital Signature, Internal Signing. Select a folder to save your private key and certificate. Once the key and certificate are created, the KOP can be signed internally by going to the KOP properties and selecting Enable KOP Signing by Private Key and Digital Certificate. Then give the path to the previously created key and certificate. Save and export the KOP. Now the signature, package.sig, is also available in iiQWorks file. In order to sign a KOP properly for production or for KUKA's ecosystem, we should use the External Signing tab. Open the KOP needing to be signed. The hash file can be downloaded. Give the KOP file and the hash file to your IT so they can sign the KOP with your company private key. Once IT gives you the corresponding package.sig, integrate it to the KOP using iiQWorks.AppBuilder. Save and export the KOP. Finally, we can check that the KOP is properly signed with the Package Signature Validation tab. Open your KOP and certificate. The signature is valid if the certificate corresponds to the private key used to sign the KOP, and if the KOP was not modified after the signature. Now that the KOP is signed, the certificate needs to be uploaded to the controller. Go to iiQWorks Cockpit in the Controller Manager tab. Log in as IT Configurator. Go to the controller settings by clicking on the cog wheel. In the Security tab, upload the certificate to the controller. You can now import the signed KOP in iiQWorks.Sim and deploy it to the controller.
Thank you for watching. We hope you find this video tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow the KUKA channel for more updates and more exciting content. If you're looking for hands-on training, visit the KUKA College to enhance your skills. See you in the next video.
Making automation easier.